Want your interactive quizzes, calculators, and forms to be discoverable by search engines? With Outgrow's crawlable embeds, you can make your interactive content easier to discover while delivering an engaging experience to your audience. Let's see how to enable it. Log into Outgrow and, first, open your content piece inside the Outgrow Builder. Then, simply click on Configure and then open General and SEO settings. Next, click on the SEO section. Here, you'll find important SEO options for your interactive content. Make sure Allow Search Engines to Index is enabled. This allows search engines to discover and index your content. You can also enable Allow Search Engines to Follow, which lets search engines follow links and better understand the structure of your interactive experience. These settings help make your content more accessible to search engines, improving the discoverability of your quizzes, calculators, forms, and surveys. Once your SEO settings are configured, click Embed on a web page. Here, you'll find multiple embed options, including full-page embed, in-page embed, pop-up style embed, chat messenger embed, greet bar, floating rectangle, side note, and many more. Select the embed type that best suits your website. As you choose an embed style, Outgrow instantly generates the embed code for you. Simply copy the code and paste it onto your website. Now, let's see one of these embeds in action. Here's Outgrow's templates page, featuring a wide variety of quizzes, calculators, forms, surveys, and other interactive experiences. Simply click on any template and then click Preview. If the content is configured as a pop-up embed, the interactive experience will instantly appear as a pop-up on the screen. This gives your visitors an engaging experience while keeping your content easy to access and discover. So whether you're embedding on Webflow, WordPress, Shopify, or your own custom website, it's simple. Configure your SEO settings, choose an embed type, copy the code, and publish. And that's how easy it is to make your Outgrow content discoverable with crawlable embeds. Ready to create interactive experiences that engage visitors and expand your reach? Get started with Outgrow today.